So today we'll be in Port St Lucie checking out a brand new construction home that's move-in ready to go with no HOA. And I've been able to get clients of mine deals on homes to lower their interest rate and monthly payment, and closing costs help so they have to bring less money out of pocket for closing. So if you're looking for a home here in South Florida, reach out to me personally and I can help you too. So this builder and model is incredibly unique in that all of their homes come turnkey, move-in ready with in-law suites designed into the floor plan. As someone who lives in a multi-generational home, having an independent wing of the house with its own entrance, living room, and kitchenette is so valuable when you have an aging parent, adult children, or a blended family. I've even had clients in the past rent out the in-law suite as an independent 1-1 to help offset their mortgage on a fixed income. Floor plans like these are hard to come by and are unrepresented by builders even though the need is there. And another thing to consider, especially if you're not too familiar with the Port St Lucie area, is that this home is built with no HOA, which is commonly referred to as scattered lots. You're not in a community, but you also don't have any HOA fees, rules, or restrictions, and you have more space away from your neighbor, especially with this home design. Having helped over 100 families build their home with many different builders in South Florida, my experience is in the differences and nuances of every one. Like the home we're coming up to now is at 2,350 square feet under air. You'll have a 4-3 plus a den, or a 3-2 and a 1-1 with its own living room, a 3-car garage, and a beautiful kitchen at the center of the home with quartz countertops, white oak, admiral blue, or white cabinetry, and tile throughout the entire home. You'll find their homes are upgraded with hurricane impact windows, an irrigation system, gutters, and all appliances are included. They've also worked on their attention to detail and finishes with taller baseboards, better quality hardware, a massive island, and more storage space throughout the entire home. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I'm an independent realtor and can help work with you throughout the process with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call home. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you'll be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. The builders are happy to work with me and all of my clients and subscribers that I bring by, and they compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance. So if you are interested in this home or even something else like this here in Port St. Lucie, you can reach out to me directly and I'll be able to help you along the entire process, whether you're looking for something for sale or to build, and represent you in buying or selling a home anywhere here on the Treasure Coast.